Today I'm showing you how you can build forms and surveys in Claude using the Weavely MCP. So in case you're not sure on how to get started with MCPs in Claude, I've also made a video about that, which I'll leave a link to at the top of the screen. But in case you do know how to set up MCPs, there's this Weavely MCP, which essentially allows you to build forms and surveys inside of Claude. So let me just show you. That's the link. I'll leave a link to the actual MCP and the server at the bottom in the description of this video. It essentially provides one tool, which is to create forms. So the way that it's set up is that as soon as you're going to start talking to Claude about building a form or a survey, it's going to then automatically generate a real working one inside of Weavely. So let's, for example, say I need a feedback survey for my customers. Claude then knows that the MCP from Weavely is able to handle that. It's going to talk to the API, build it for you, and you can then later on customize it inside of the Weavely platform. So let's see how that goes. All right, so it's telling me that it's created the feedback survey. It's telling me what it's put in there, and then it's giving me a link. And when I press on that link, I'll dive into Weavely itself, which is a form tool, an AI form tool. So you'll see that we have all of the pages that Claude said it would make. We can preview the form, type in, just play around with it. And then of course we can also just add additional content inside of Weavely. So we can add new pages, we can add new questions. We can sort of set up integrations or set up conditional logic, right? So skipping pages, answer piping, that sort of stuff. So what you would expect from any form builder, type form or fill out. You can change the theme. So again, with AI or using a built-in one to make sure that it matches your brand and your style. But essentially you get the drift, right? So you're in Claude, you can talk to it to build your form or your survey. And when you're ready, it actually goes in, builds in Weavely, and you can then finalize it by hand and just publish it. One click, you'll get a URL loaded in and you have a fully working survey or form from within Claude using an MCP server.